want a lot for Christmas.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So today we're starting my Christmas celebration from today. So I'll be going to the airport and then we'll be going to a villa in Montego. Yes guys. Watch the dolly. So the dolly dong. I never get to put on my lashes because I was rushed, but I have on my nails and my jewelry. Check out the look of it. Check out the look of it. Yes guys, so please like, comment and subscribe. I'll be taking you guys with me. This is to make up for day 18, day 19, day 20, day 21, day 23, day 22, day 23 and day 24 of Vlogmas, cause me never put up nothing. So this I gonna be like a 30-minute video for the phone, right? So guys, them stop for the 120th time. Them stop again. No matter they stop. Yes, I'm gonna wait upon them. Cause them go drink. Cause them is a man, them go drink. So maybe they wait upon them.
I don't know what's on. I told God one night I would do everything.
She's locked in, you know?
So guys, I got fried chicken with pork gravy from Express Jerk Center in Salem, Runaway Bay. Period, so girl. Yeah. So I'm just showing you the food. Ooh, everything that I like. You like them? You're okay with that way out? Yes guys, so let me tell you, I'm about to dig into this. When I reach it, you know, we leave out from about what time? From about 10. No sir, no, 10:30, and now it's after nearly 2 o'clock. I don't know when I reach, because there's a lot of traffic on the road, so we have to understand that. Be a musical place, I'm gonna go prolong this no more. I'm just gonna eat and show and tell you how the food tastes and all of that.
What do you want?
Alright, that's the road.
Where is it?
You know multi-purpose stadium there?
What do you want?
You know multi-purpose stadium there?
What?
What
about that? I don't say that.
Yeah. Wait.
Not too long, no way long.
You know, me ask if you ever tell the road, me take when me go and be from Brownstone, but I can't miss road. I chop you right out the same.
I never go down with it. You don't tell a lie, no? You don't tell a lie. People know where multiple so them there. Out of that discovery, Columbus back out there, so.
Out where?
Right, see, don't you say I look on.
Oh, Columbus?
Columbus back.
We're in Montego Bay. You're in my video.
You know, park here, you can just let them know my destination and they get through. So.
Departure, you know what I mean now?
No man, you go right down and down there.
Where?
Down the road man, go on straight, down the right. How we are going to come out here.
It's 3:48. We're there, but the thing is, the airport is crowded. They haven't checked out as yet because you know, so due to COVID-19, a lot of things has changed and things has gotten harder and easier. But I guess this harder, because I know from 2 o'clock the lady land, lady don't get to check out yet. But we're still away upon her. We're just going to buy something from a corner shop and wait for her to call. Yeah, guys. So guys, me finish me. Watch this. Me finish me my Pepsi. Pepsi me go buy now. Yeah, and we're still waiting. My phone is at 2%. 2% at this vulnerable time. We still wait about after 4 now. And we're there from after 2. Tell me. If 2 plus 2 is 4. What is this? Yes, so anyways, so yeah, I have my nails. I don't know my baby when I have nails. So I'm gonna do my ears. So remember to check out Makhalia Protective Hairstyles on Instagram to get your hair done like your girl dipped in chocolate's hair. Okay, so anyways, sorry. So anyways, we're there a long time. If you can hear that, your ears are near the airport. So we're now in parking lot. We're not in the airport's parking lot because it's full. I tell us a be flights are going in and out. But I know we can't hear, so the people them out. That rhyme anyways, but I'm so exhausted. I want to upload this video today, but it look like a tomorrow or something. So let's see. I want to get them in the video also, but my phone at 2%. I'm there chat it out. I'm putting my phone on airplane mode so that battery no run down. I can't bother. I seriously can't. So you know, scratch me now. I just love do it. It does. Oh yeah, right. That's how scratch me. But me like go so sometime. It does calm my nerves. Anyways, guys.
That's not the pedestrian over here.
You know, here, come, here. Hey guys! So guys, I don't know where I'm at. My finger broke off. We're lost. Like I think I'm in, yeah, I know I'm in my way, but I don't know where exactly. Like we're just in a mall. We're just somewhere. I don't know, cause the driver doesn't know. So how am I going to know? Anyways, we're just here. I'm waiting on the driver to tell us where we're at, because he don't know where we're at, and that's not safe. But the driver doesn't know where we're at, and he's the one driving the car. People, tell me. And then my middle finger got broke off, so you know, so I am depressed and deprived from the world now, because we're gonna get crazy glue on about this shit. Anyways, my phone is at 1% also, so I'm going to give you a tour of the villa tomorrow. So I'm going to do a continuity. I don't know how to pronounce that word. Anyways, I'm gonna just write it there of this video. So this is like part 1. Tonight's a grand market. I mean, I'm over here, and like there's not much going on. Like, let me show you guys. Like, the place is packed, as you guys saw in my previous clip. If I took that, the place kind of packed. I don't know what to talk to no about. See the man who me. What? The nigga bought Tutti Frutti. Where's mine? Okay guys, so we're in KFC getting dinner because we've been on the road since day. So we're getting something to eat and drink. So we're not really going out tonight, but we're going to be staying home. Even though Anjo, our nice clean friend Anjo, moved the curfew to 1 a.m. Our nice clean friend, we're not going out tonight, so maybe tomorrow or so. But yeah guys, so we're going to take a taxi go back because our drive left us stranded. Yeah, but
From the 6.
yeah, purr, we just come from KFC. We'd have to rough up the people and full food. We'd have to rough up the people and full food, but we're there. We're in Tara. Where do you place them?
Tara.
No, Tara.
Tara?
Yeah, Tara. We're in Tara Estate. Yes,
Right.
God bless you, man. But you don't drive very fast, don't it? So, yeah.
And you have to buy something when we remember is what in there. On the box. You have to buy something when we remember is what.
Kingston 20. Kingston 62.
Yes, sir?
Now that matter, bro. Okay, guys, I'm looking mad crazy. Yes. You done. So I'm going to be taking a bath. Yeah, mega bed. I never been with a body. So mega bed. Bye. Yo, I seen all of this. Alright. A damn life for the Delhi for you live. I should live here. I don't live in a country. Them life here. True, them life here, Delhi for you live. Kentucky, and them type of days here. And then, oh, just barbecue. So them people like KFC, them don't listen, them just want your money. Them don't listen at all. Listen. Okay. I need some ketchup. Where ketchup in there, fridge? Two ketchup in it? Or one? Let's see, that don't look like a horse. That's why it's fun. Come on. You're going to start it.
What if we don't know the song?
Turn it up. That's why the words are there. Come on, turn it up.
The toothpaste.
No, but that's don't. Need I don't care for the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own. More than you could ever know. Make my Okay guys, so I got some cake in my hands and I just got my nails done again. Okay guys, so I did my nails again. And we're just going to go to bed. Like, I'm just there, I live my life. Rich auntie vibe. It's bad. What could do? Put in a plate. I don't want to watch your plate. Put in a plate, I forgot to watch your plate. Camera that. I'm not nasty, I'm just camera. Hurt my hand. I eat it. So brr. It's all done. Now it's like 12 o'clock. So Merry Christmas, guys. It's gonna be Christmas. I got new nails. People. So show me present them. Come and know them before me get them. So guys, this is part 1. So part 2, I'll be giving you a tour of the old estates and the house and everything. So guys, watch out for part 1, part 2. Watch out for part 2.